Mukoro gwo kutongoza akatabo k'obukoryo bwo kurwanisa siriimu akobesere Healthcare Professionals Handbook kakozirwe aba Uganda Medical Council bashagikirwe UNAIDS kandi omukoro gubira hari Mbarara University of Science and Technology gwetabirwemu abashaho kuruga Burenje bw'Izooba n'ihanga ryona.
The patient is at the center of service provision. Now, as health workers, we need to combine effort to ensure that we give total services to this client so that the client goes away a satisfied client.
Aha mukoro ogwo basimire government ahabwo kutamani omukurwanisa siriimu.
Government first and foremost realized that the scourge of HIV was on the increase. We started way back in the 80s with ABC. Then later on we had to bring on board the testing to identify those that had been sick. Then we found that we needed actually to treat them with ARVs. Government was importing these ARVs, but as we talk now, we are making them from here at Quality Chemicals and even other pharmaceutical industries.
Dr. Elias Chiza, President w'ekigombe kirikugita abashaho habwa Burenje bw'Izooba kya Uganda Medical Association, asimira entebeekanisa egi egenderire kurwanisa siriimu.
Ankore region etungire omugisha gwo kuhostinga launch y'akatabo k'abashaho kahandikirwe Uganda Medical Association erikwatanisa na Uganda Medical and Dental Practitioners Council kandi ka sponsored by UNAIDS. So tutungire omugisha ogwo kandi twashemererwa kuba akatabaka kakaza kuyamba abashaho bona okureba kubahereza obuhereza abw'abantu bona ondukwatirinde na sexual reproductive health and HIV services from region. Eki kikaba habo kugira ngu Mbarara City ekashanganiye ine prevalence yahiguru ombikwatirine na akakoko ka siriimu. So nico kitumire cyaba ngo rongi yakatabaka ebe omu region age.
Nashemererwa munonga habwa katabaka akakozirwe kuhweraho abashaho kubahenda jiriro yo kutwakubasa kutwaza abantu abututwire nabo abuturikweta key populations abine riski yo kukwatwa akakoko ka siriimu kusingaho abantu ababurijo aba barimu abari ku bamaraya harimo abari kozesa imbazi hari abari kwanbetere bikato babine imbazi bakozesa bakudependingaho harimo n'abandi abantu abakuba batabukire nk'emitwe.
Mbarara ni imwe mu districts za Uganda ziri kukizayo abantu abari kukwatwa endwara ya siriimu buri izooba. Gashakwa Evans Taremwa.